So we're bowling a match. SCAD versus Weber. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, I wore the shirt. It's green. We're coming from nothing. We're coming from Lake Wales, Florida. And
Is that nothing?
Actually, yeah, there's not a whole lot to do besides Kego in Lake Wales, Florida.
So you are coming from nothing.
Yeah, we're here
pretty much.
in Savannah. We're about to bowl at best 4 out of 7. We have something on the line, but we don't know what it is on the line.
Our coaches haven't told us. We just know it's something. But
it was going to be for money, but Justin didn't feel like putting up money.
And I was told Brandon didn't feel like putting up money, so.
Yeah, all right, whatever. So it wasn't either one of us actually. So, but I would put up my money against Justin.
I almost would put up my money against Brandon. But anyway, the coaches are putting this up. This is gonna be a fun match, scrimmage match, and we decided to vlog it because we like to have fun and it'd be a fun video. So here we go. Best of 7. Hiya.
You're going down.
Where's on 3? 1, 2, 3.
No, you lose, you get to.
It's out there!
Go be it!
He's on 3! He's on 3! 1, 2, 3! Peace!
Pausing the action here in our scrimmage, I want to take a minute to thank Momentous for our sponsorship in this video. I've been loving these Creatine Chews lemon lime flavor. Creatine for me is something that I take before I go to the gym. It's a place that I can let out all my anger from bowling, and not only a place where I can just clear my head and get away from reality. So I stay away from the powder as much as I can, just because I'd probably make a mess on the counter, and I'd rather not clean up something that I don't have to clean up. So I'm gonna go with the chews instead of the powder all day, every day. So these Creatine chews, lemon lime flavor I've been absolutely loving. They're 1 gram each in each chew, and they just get me going, give me more energy, and help me with my muscle recovery as well as my strength throughout my workout. Use my code right here for 35% off your very first order on your order of creatine chews. Now, let's get back to the action.
Let's go, Mikey. Come on, bud. Mikey. Come on, baby. Again?
He's moving 2. This is either gonna go 10 back or he's gonna forfeit.
in the last 7 games. But you know, there's only up from here. Unless we go 0-8, then I guess we went down.
That's very optimistic.
And we might be 0-8.
You weren't that optimistic when you were a player.
No,
Oh, you're growing.
I've developed a little bit. I've developed, but I've never gone 0-7. So, you know, it's okay, right? We gotta let SCAD feel a little good. You know, we're bowling this weekend, right? So that's what matters. This is just, we want them to go to bed tonight, and we can't hurt their feelings too bad, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, just wait till the tournament starts. And then Kai, if you're watching this, wait till I start screaming shots. I want to run it back.
Eventually we'll go.
I said it can't get much worse than this. Well, I lied. We don't have a strike through 4, and they have the front 7.
Katie really loves me. I think they're spotting us 45 this
Yeah.
I'll give it this handicap.
45 may not be enough.
It's getting worse.
We might need 45 a frame.
Justin's gonna give us a chance here.
Here goes JB.
It's getting worse. It's getting worse.
50, they get the front 8.
We're still here.
Not yet.
We're still here.
Not out yet.
Gutter. We're here. Come on.
Let's go.
Yeah, now, you know, we're backwards hat Dell. That's when you know we're locked in. We got Hood Rat Dell in the building now. Wow. Gutter.
I can feel it right here. I can feel it. We need more pins.
All right.
Oh yeah! Make him show up! Make him show up! We're still here. We ain't going nowhere. Oh, go!
It was out of the wood about a half an hour ago.
Yeah. 0-8.
Hey, let me take this one. You're out.
Out of the wood.
We do.
But you know, we might only lose by 20, which, that's okay, you know? Wow.
Working with that endless game.
Endless 10 frames.
Winners 4-0. That's all I got. Do I need to say anything else? I don't think so.
I'll buy you dinner.
I don't know what the deal was.
Our wager was whoever lost had to run around the building 4 times.
Oh, that's nothing new.
So running before we leave.
Sorry.
We won!
Is anyone still bowling one of these?
No.
Well, here's 2 of the 7 champions in the best of 7 match because SCAD just won like that 4-0, and we're just better.
Way better. I mean, we had the front 9 on them the last game. They didn't know what to do with themselves.
They didn't. So now they're running laps because they lost, and yeah, I mean.
There he goes. In the Uggs.
Yeah, in the Uggs and the sweats and the hoodie.
Taken out on the file cabinet.
Yep, taken out on the file cabinet because he lost, and he's probably a little upset because, you know, he thinks that he's better, but.
Yeah, so I'm going to say that they took the loss not too great. You know, sometimes it's just not your day, and, you know, today wasn't their day.
And, I mean, all I really had to do was just run 4 laps around a 50-lane bowling center, so no biggie.
Nah, no biggie.
Yeah. Anyway, it's like 55 degrees, so it's like good running temperature for them at
absolutely.
least. So we hope you enjoy this we hope you enjoyed this month.
That was worse than the first time.
We hope you enjoyed this one as much as we did because we had a blast bowling. Obviously, we did because we won. So maybe not so much Brandon, but
It's always fun to win.
it's always fun to win. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
See ya.
Ready to leave. Let's go.